hear other little girls. Hurry, hurry. Go in. What's going on?
Give me this phone, you crybaby.
She's kissing you, Nayeli. She's kissing you. Oh, yay! Here you go. Thank you so much for all these horses because I was so confused. She was confused.
You're the little girl for her. And I wanted you to have her.
Can you believe it?
Huh?
That's it. Don't ask for nothing for Christmas.
This is Christmas, by the way.
Yep.
She doesn't even want a tree now.
You turn around, let everybody look. Yeah.
Oh, watch your fingers. Go
or your
forward.
feet.
Get a picture. Get a picture. You and Miss Heather. Picture time. Photo op.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. She knows how to work the camera.
Kiss her, Nayeli.
Get your butt out of the
I'm
camera.
sorry.
And Nayeli, look at your pretty bow up on
Look at that. Say thank you to Cuddly. You gonna give her a kiss? Go ahead. You're gonna go to the
Jane.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I want to go to my...
Every single shot.
Open your present. It's present time. Open your present. Happy birthday. That's exciting.
Oh my... I'm crying and she's telling me...
You want to hold your sign with them? You girls want to hold your sign with them? There you go. Get in there, Miss Karen. Karen, get in there, Karen.
Yes, come
Come on, get a mirror. Shake your hand, girlfriend. Yay! Karen. Yay! Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, sorry, mamas. We got stuck behind a funeral and we're like, oh, I'm like dying at the scene.
We were like, oh, where is she?
Look, you like your sign, Mira? Where's the table? Where did
There's a picnic table over there.
Oh, over here, over here. Go ahead, Nayeli. She won't let her go. Just in case it's a joke.
She gonna ride her girl?
Oh.
Put her helmet on.
Well, she's opening her presents. She's just not letting go.
Not letting go of her baby.
Cover that, Miss Nayeli.
Look at the inside cover.
Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome.
She's been dying for these. So cute.
Oh.
So Nayeli,
Thank you, Mama.
Nayeli, we know you don't like surprises. How do you feel about this one?
You don't like
She's
surprises?
just the best
Yeah.
ever. She does not.
I think this changed your mind.
Yeah.
These are Amira's papers.
Oh my goodness.
All you need is love and a horse. And so, this is, you know, then Mommy and me will sign that.
Piece of paper. She has a chicken and you
And
can
here
breathe.
is her Here are her papers, and she'll be registered in your name. And
Who's
this, that's her Coggins. She has to have that no matter where she goes. And that's just
You gotta keep your records. This
yeah,
is so
that's for your
beautiful.
records. That's your records.
You could decorate the front, Miss Amira.
And then there's a little.
Yeah, there's so much. I don't know what I do. My keys. Okay. There's a whole bunch of stuff in
Do
the.
you still want me to keep recording?
Huh? You can stop it now. We'll do the highlights.
Okay.